This picture gives a lot of information about river cross-section. The items include wall and water profile. Firstly, in the middle of this picture, there is a wall which is covered by green color. Secondly, on the corner is wall and the right is water profile. Finally, on the top is tan, which is shown by green color. In conclusion, this image is about river cross-section, which is covered by green color.
This is a picture of river cross section. On the left side, it's a wall of the picture and it is represented by green line. And on the right side, it's water profile. There are some meters as well, like 1.91 meter, 2 meter, and 3 meter. On the top of the side, there are some values in velocities like velocity, 2 velocity, 3 velocity, and 4 velocity. On the background of the image, it's black lines. The total black lines are 10.
This image is about the river cross section between the wall and the water profile. The distance is here is about the 1.91 meter, which is the highest, but the other distance meter is not available here, which are questionable. So we can see the distance between the wall and water profile, which is the highest, is about 1.91 meter. And so in the last, we can say that it is the about the river cross section.
The display image gives the information about river cross-section. As we can observe that on the y-axis there is wall and x-axis is water. On the first near the wall there is a meter with question mark. On the second side there is also meter. On the water profile side there is 1.9 meter. As we there are different types of section that are converted in the water river. The display image gives the information about river cross-section.
The image before me is a river cross section. It is evident that there is the wall and the water profile. You can clearly see that on the water profile there is an approximation of 1.91 meters, while there is a gap of between 10 meters each. It clearly demonstrates how the river cross sections works in the walls. Thank you.
This picture tells about the river cross section from a wall to the water profile. It has been separated with 10 meters, 10 meters, and 10 meters four times, and the water profile has been widely increasing to 1.9 percentage. And it also meant that the wall has been the blocker for this, and also it has been increasing from the water profile from 0 to 100. From this figure, it is evident that from the wall, the water profile has been increased to 1.91 meter.
This picture gives a lot of information about river cross-section. The items include wall and water profile. Firstly, there is a waterfall. In the middle of this picture, there is a water profile which is covered by black colors. Secondly, on the corner is wall and the right is water profile. Finally, on the top is tan, which is shown by black color. In conclusion,
The picture is about a river cross section. From the picture, I can see that there are total 4 cross sections, each is 10 meter apart. The depth of one of the cross section is 1.91 meter and other depth of another two cross section is unknown. At the left of the picture, we can see a wall. Moreover, the water profile is given in the picture. The picture is drawn using green color marker on a ruled paper. To sum up, the picture provides important information about a river cross section.
The title of the image is River Cross Section. In this image, I can see the green color pen has been highlighted some areas. There is a water profile showing a different meters of length of the water. On the one side, there is a wall. In this image, I can see that in the middle of that, it's a 1.91 meter water length has been depth mentioned in the top layer, and then it's decreasing by 10%, which has been caution marked, and then again decreasing by 10%. The highest water profile shows that it was increasing up to the 2.9 centimeter in the wall image.
The picture gives information about river cross section. In the right side there is a water profile, in the right side there is a wallpaper, and in the upper side there is a green lines on the black lines, and the lower side there is a green lines, and the middle of the picture there is a 1.91 million. Furthermore, there is a picture very beautiful and
The given image gives us the information about the river cross section area. The different elements that has been discussed in the image are water profile, wall, and different segments of the river as well. The higher section of the river has been discussed as 1.91 meter, whereas the lower section information is not given as well. There are different sections that has also been discussed, such as 10 issues as well. Overall, it is a very informative image that gives us the information about the river cross section.
This image provides a significant information about river's cross section. Here the one wall is there and the remaining part is consisted by the water profile. There are two missing amount is that there which is into the meter. Additionally the 1.91 meters which is taken to that particular height, and that 10 10 10 like the four times of that particular meters are taken by the profile of the water. To conclude, this image provides a significant information about river cross section.
The following picture gives us the information about the river cross section. According to the picture, we can see a wall, a water profile, and between the wall and water profile there is four sections. Each section is divided by 10 units. In the first section, the meter is not known. In the second section also the meter is not known, whereas the third section it is 1.91 meters. The wall is in the right side, whereas the water profile is in the left side of the picture. In conclusion, the picture is described very beautifully.
The given image is a line graph which provides information about river cross section. In the given image, there is a wall on the left hand side, and the water is divided into the four categories of meters. It from the given figure, it can be seen that the water is slowly rising and reaches to the highest level at 1.91 meter. Overall, the image illustrates river cross section.
The image shows a river cross section that includes a vertical wall on the left and a rising water profile on the right. The diagram displays two unspecified distances followed by a marked height of about 1.91 meters. Overall, the shape of the riverbed curves upward towards the right, indicating changes in depth and elevation. In summary, the image provides a clear visual representation of the river structure and water level.